think so. I'm really...
This my phone says I don't hear.
Yeah, you're right. Hey!
Oh wow! Hey
what's
guys!
up? Welcome to the season finale of
What's in your fridge? Season finale.
So one question we always get from all the fans out there is, what's in your fridge?
Our fridge.
Our fridge. So we're here today to show you guys our fridge.
Hey, so follow us in.
Yeah.
I think we're at the right place.
Yeah. Hopefully we got it right. Yeah. You're a real bummer.
Come on in, guys,
Yeah,
to our home.
It's a Will's apartment.
Will's apartment 1. Let's go. Best one there is, right?
Fridge 2, you're about to find out.
Let's do it. Let's get what's in your fridge.
What is in your fridge? Okay, let's see
Let's see what we got, ladies and gentlemen.
We don't have our sunglasses. Safety first, kids.
Right.
We're gonna do this anyway.
What do we have?
Caleb, is this you? This is
Dude,
weird, man.
I did not put that in there. I don't know what you're talking about.
What is this?
What the heck, man?
Did you hear something?
What is that? Oh my gosh, Zane, what is that?
Caleb, what is going on? What did you see there? What's happening, Caleb? Caleb, I can't find the knife.
This is for the fridge!
Ah!
You're gonna be in the fridge now, boy. Ugh. Time to get a real co-host. So, that's what you get for the fridge, man.